This is the MNP 3-Minute Debt Break, a podcast with advice, insight, and tips on taking control of your financial world. Brought to you by MNP Debt.
Borrowing money often gets a bad rap, but in actuality, it's not always a bad thing. Sometimes life throws unexpected expenses your way, or maybe you need extra cash to invest in your future. In these situations, borrowing can be a smart financial decision, if you're careful. But not all loans are created equal, and high-interest options like payday loans can quickly turn a short-term solution into a long-term headache. So let's talk about when it makes sense to borrow money and how to avoid the payday loan trap. First, the good reasons to borrow money. There's no one-size-fits-all answer, but it's important to think about your goals and financial situation before taking on any debt. One of the best reasons to borrow is to invest in your future. Whether it's taking out a student loan for higher education, financing home renovations, or starting a business, these are all investments that can pay off in the long run. Another good reason to borrow is to improve your future earnings. For example, consolidating high-interest debts into one lower interest rate loan can save you money over time. Refinancing your mortgage can lower your monthly payments, or buying a reliable vehicle can reduce maintenance costs and help you get where you need to go without breaking the bank. And of course, sometimes borrowing is just necessary, like when you have an emergency. Whether it's car repairs, medical bills, or unexpected funeral expenses, having access to funds can be a big help. But while borrowing can be helpful, you'll want to steer clear of payday loans. They might seem like a quick fix when you're in a pinch, but they come with sky-high interest rates and can trap you in a cycle of debt. Payday loans are designed to be repaid on your next paycheck, but many people find themselves rolling them over or taking out new loans just to cover the old ones. How can you avoid payday loans? Start by building an emergency fund. Even a small cushion can help you cover unexpected expenses without turning to high-interest loans. If you're in a bind, consider asking family or friends for help. It might feel awkward, but it's a much safer option than taking out a payday loan. Another option is to explore alternatives with your bank. Many banks offer personal loans, credit cards, or overdraft protection with more reasonable terms than payday loans. And if you're struggling to manage your finances, don't hesitate to seek out financial counseling. There are resources available to help you make better financial decisions. If you're feeling overwhelmed by payday loans or other debts, reach out to a licensed insolvency trustee. They can help you explore your options from consumer proposals to bankruptcy and guide you toward a debt-free future.
This has been the MNP 3-Minute Debt Break. Reach out to MNP today and schedule a free confidential consultation to find out how you can eliminate your debt for good. Contact MNP Debt to begin a financial fresh start right now.